Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert table in Word document. Adding a table in Microsoft Word allows for clear and organized presentation of data, enhancing readability and comprehension for the readers. So let's start the video. First, open Microsoft Word document and navigate to the page where you want to insert the table. Now click on the Insert tab in the Word ribbon. Now click on Table option. Simply hover your cursor over grid and select number of rows and columns you want. You can see the live preview of table in the document. We are going to add a table with 5 rows and 4 columns. So these are 5 rows and these are 4 columns. So click on it. So you have added a table into your Word document. If you want more flexibility in designing your table, then you can choose the Draw Table option. So click on Insert, Table, and then click on Draw Table. Draw lines to create the rows and column of your table. You can also format your table to make it more visually appealing. So click inside the table and then click on Table Design tab and do the formatting accordingly. So that's how to insert table in MS Word. Thanks for watching.